Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. Well, today I'm going to show you how to pack a bottle art for your customer. At first, take a bubble wrapper and cover the bottle by rolling it at least 5 times. Now take a gift wrapper and start packing it in the following manner. You can use a ribbon along with a note or a card to make it more beautiful and professional. It can be your logo or your business card. Now take a carton box and put it inside the box. You can also add a thank you letter like this. Now for safety purpose, we will add some thermocol sheets around the bottle in this way. Seal the box with some tape, and after writing the shipping address, you can send it to your customer through any courier center. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.